हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लेबर एंड डिलीवरी के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन, विच हार्मोन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर यूट्राइन कंट्रैक्शंस ड्यूरिंग लेबर? Correct answer is C, oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions and is used medically to induce labor. Next question, the first stage of labor ends when? Correct answer is B. The cervix is fully dilated. The first stage lasts from the onset of contractions to fully cervical dilation 10 cm. Next question. What is the normal fetal heart rate during labor? Correct answer is C. 110-160 bpm. This range indicates a healthy fetal heart rate during labor. Next question. What is the best position for a laboring woman with a prolapsed umbilical cord? Correct answer is C. Knee chest. This relieves pressure on the cord and maintains fetal circulation. Next question. The second stage of labor begins with. Correct answer is A. Full cervical dilation. The second stage is from full dilation to the birth of the baby. Next question. The third stage of labor involves. Correct answer is C. Delivery of the placenta. It starts after the baby is born and ends when the placenta is delivered. Next question. A prolonged second stage of labor occurs when. Correct answer is C. It extends beyond 2 hours in a nulliparous woman. In multiparous women, prolonged second stage is more than 1 hour. Next question. What is the term for difficult labor? Correct answer is A. Dyscotia. Dyscotia refers to abnormal labor due to maternal or fetal causes. Next question. What is the normal range of amniotic fluid index AFI? Correct answer is B. 5 to 25 cm. AFI is used to assess amniotic fluid levels during pregnancy. Next question. What is the most favorable pelvis type for vaginal delivery? Correct answer is C. Gynecoid. Gynecoid pelvis has a round shape, making it ideal for vaginal birth. Next question. The primary sign of placental separation is. Correct answer is B. A gush of blood. This occurs as the placenta detaches from the uterine wall. Next question. Which fetal presentation is considered ideal for normal delivery? Correct answer is C. Cephalic. Head first cephalic presentation is the safest for vaginal delivery. Next question. The term lightening in pregnancy refers to. Correct answer is B. Descent of the fetus into the pelvis. This occurs in late pregnancy, making breathing easier for the mother. Next question. The term crowing means. Correct answer is B. Appearance of the baby's head at the vaginal opening. Crowing happens just before the baby is fully delivered. Next question. The best method to confirm rupture of membranes is. Correct answer is B. Nitrazine test. Nitrazine paper turns blue if amniotic fluid is present. Next question. What is the most common fetal lie? Correct answer is C. Longitudinal. In most pregnancies, the fetus aligns with the mother's spine. Next question. The normal duration of the third stage of labor is. Correct answer is A. 5 to 30 minutes. The placenta is usually expelled within this time frame. Next question. Which drug is commonly used to manage postpartum hemorrhage? Correct answer is D. All of the above. All these drugs help in uterine contraction to control bleeding. Next question. Which condition requires an emergency C-section? Correct answer is B. Fetal distress. If the fetus shows signs of distress, immediate C-section is necessary. Next question. The softening of the cervix before labor is called. Correct answer is B. Effacement. Effacement is the thinning and shortening of the cervix. Next question. Which of the following is not a sign of true labor? Correct answer is D. Contractions relieved by rest. False labor contractions easy with rest, while true labor contractions persist. Next question. The term station 0 means the fetal head is at. Correct answer is C. The level of the ischial spinous. Station 0 means the baby's head is arranged in the pelvis. Next question. A Bishop score is used to assess. Correct answer is B. Cervical readiness for labor. A high Bishop score indicates a favorable cervix for induction. Next question. The most common cause of neonatal respiratory distress after C-section is. Correct answer is B. Transient trachypnea of the newborn. Delayed clearance of lung fluid causes breathing difficulty in C-sections babies. Next question. The normal length of human pregnancy is. Correct answer is C. 40 weeks. Pregnancy lasts approximately 280 days or 40 weeks. Next question. A post-term pregnancy is one that extends beyond. Correct answer is C. 42 weeks. A pregnancy lasting beyond 42 weeks is considered post-term. Next question. The golden hour in newborn care refers to. Correct answer is A. The first hour after birth. This period is crucial for bonding and breastfeeding initiation. Next question. What is the primary purpose of Apgar scoring? Correct answer is B. Evaluating newborn health. Apgar score measures a newborn's adaptation to extrauterine life. Next question. The Apgar score is assessed at. Correct answer is A. 1 and 5 minutes. Apgar scoring is done at 1 and 5 minutes to assess the newborn's health. Next question. When should delayed cord clamping be performed? Correct answer is B. 30 to 60 seconds after birth. Delayed cord clamping improves neonatal iron stores and circulation. Next question. The most common indication for cesarean section is. Correct answer is B. Cephalopelvic disproportion (CPD). CPD occurs when the baby's head is too large for the mother's pelvis.